Hi there kids. Today's topic is all about CK ending consonant blends. Let's get started. Letter CK sounds k, 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 k. Duck, duck. Back, back. Kick, kick. Lick, lick. Rock, rock. Lock, lock. Sock, sock. Black, black. Block, block. Clock, clock. Stick, stick. Truck, truck. Snack, snack. Track, track. Crack, crack. Let's practice once again. Sack, snack. Neck, check. Pick, trick. Rock, flock. Luck, pluck. Kids, now your turn to read. Good job, kids. Good reading. Bye-bye, kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all phonics videos are given below in the description box. Keep watching.